I would highly recommend to anyone either new to this business or has been in it for several years. One of the most important things I've learned today was being able to identify the mat and being able to pick up on key criteria to help resolve any issues that may arise during any kind of paving operation. Talking about, of course, the paver, the cleanliness day in, day out, what to be looking for to make that machine work to its full capacity and also save us time and money on the long run. I think the experience here at this workshop has been very pleasant. Everybody is very accommodating. Instructors very knowledgeable and has been able to teach me a lot of great things to move forward in this business.